Aaliyah, and today we're gonna be playing some Ragdoll engine. We have some Cheetos here. That I'm gonna be eating while I'm playing the game. So let's get started. Okay. First thing we're gonna want to do is push people. So I heard that's really fun. Plus, a lot of people are playing it. I feel like we should go first person. That would be easier. By the way, I do some TikToks on my TikTok account. My TikTok account is named Crown Me Pretty Lily. So, sorry if you hear me eating. I'm so sorry. I don't know if I'm not even close. Like, so I was like, I'm not even close. Like, look. I'm back and I'm bleed. I'm just doing the cross I believe. Wait, I don't want to get copyrighted. Let me eat some more. Just hear that crunch. That feels so good. Now, let's go. No, wait. Was I in first? Okay. Wipe my phone off. My hands are so cheesy right now. Oh. I'm so dumb. No, we're not going to go with this thing. Wait, does it just... Dude, we're at the top! We're at the top! Oh my gosh! Dude. Should we jump off? I don't know. I don't even know, to be honest. No! Stop! They try to push me off because I don't feel like doing that. He used the push thing. Simp. Stop! Dude, I'm recording. Stop, I swear. So you do that. Is a lunch. Stop! You're gonna push me and I know that. Dude, swear to God, I'm recording and stop. I am recording. Now stop. I'm recording, now stop. Dude! I swear that guy put the potion down. I'm back, I can't bleed. I'm just doing false, I believe I'm back. I can jump, like, you guys can't get me. Trying to push off me, dummies. Dummies these days be like, aha! Aha! No! Duh!
Take yourself off when you please. I'm gonna put them.
Oh my God, I'm recording! Huh? I'm recording.
Where do you want?
How do you close this TikTok?
I know. Just wait a minute.
Let's have me on honey pie.
You want a nice
This ain't no
top, or you
race,
just
but I still take first place. Yeah, damn, man. Just shove it in your face. This ain't right, but I still take first place. Yeah. Think I'm mean just to shove it in your face. Mama ain't gonna lean, but I still am a queen.
So you have something on your arms.
Dude, what's happening? Wait, what's happening? I'm gonna go upstairs.
There's the thing.
Go
You get cold.
Wait a minute.
Put that
Go
on your arm.
upstairs. Then I go upstairs. Wait, am I just going up the same stairs and over again? I'm back. No, that wouldn't be. Yeah, I think I'm going up the same stairs and over again because. Okay, so I was on this level. Now let's see. Now I'm on this level. Okay, so I'm going up the stairs. I think. We're going all the way up. This ain't no race, but I still take first place. Yeah. This ain't no man. This is something in your face. My name's not Leighton, but I still am a queen. I'm mean. That's alright. Hey. Damn, I thought we were. Ha! Simp! This ain't a race, but I still take first place. Yeah. Stay your man. Shove it in your face. Oh, move! Move! Oh my God, move! People, move! Now move. I said move. Stop! You're trying to push me, stupid. Really think I'm gonna? Now that is funny. Okay. Stop! You're gonna push me, dummy. Ha! That's funny. She don't got no Robux, so she might as well just die. People these days be like, this ain't a race, but I still take first place. Yeah. Shit, your man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I love doing this. So funny. Guys, someone push me. Someone push me. And that's on period poo. When I get pushed, I push you back. So that's on period. Like. So, let's go. Let's go, boo-boo. You ain't gonna drive me this time, boo-boo. People these days. That's okay. I was looking for the bun. Okay. So now we got a chocolate thingy. Chocolate cake thingy. So now we're gonna open it. Let's open it. That looks good. So someone pushed me. So somebody pushed me, huh? Oh. Sorry, I'm eating a piece of cake. Sorry.
How come this light keep blinking over here?
Mm.
See it?
Mhm. 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 Mm.
Just put it in here. Talking about a filter. You just keep on blinking because I don't have no filter for you.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. Wait, guys, AFK. I can get.
Our tools and tech put you in control, so you can deposit checks, pay bills, check balances,
What are they saying?
and transfer money.
Cute
No
body.
matter where you are. Learn more at regions.com/tools.
Who are you talking to? Ha.
Police, drop your weapon. It has to die. Ma'am, I need you to put that shotgun down right now.
There's only one thing to do. 3 words, 4. Okay, so we're gonna be going in bloxburg. Wait, let's first see what games we wanna play. We're gonna play Tower of Hell, then bloxburg. Then we're gonna play Piggy. Piggy, Tower of Hell, and then bloxburg. So yeah. 3 words, 4. I don't know why people spell cheese like that. I just don't rock with it. Only one thing to do, 3 words. Okay, so one time I made it to the top, that was probably like in 1,000. No! For you, I love you. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna want to do is talk about things. So first, how I made my TikTok. How I made my TikTok is, I just like started to make videos, and they were really kind of like old songs, you know, like In the Ghetto, Ra-ta-ta-ta remix. So like I did that. I started on my mom's phone, like, and I got like really like, I liked it. I just wanted to know, like, how did it feel to be like Charlie D'Amelio and stuff? Like, how did it feel to be like famous? Like, I don't know. Like, what? Like, I was so nervous to like do a TikTok. No, you made me mess up. Okay, so basically, how I made my TikTok, I was like making all these videos. They were kind of like ratchet, but like nice, and then like yeah. So then like then I deleted TikTok. Then the next time I downloaded it, Charlie D'Amelio was on there. I was like, who is she? She's really famous. So I was just like, oh my god, Charlie D'Amelio? That's Charlie D'Amelio. And I heard like a lot of things about her. Then I started to follow her. And she started to like, I don't know, she just got my attention for some reason. And then I just really heard a lot about her. I learned Zoe. Then, yeah, that's it. So, how I made a YouTube channel. The first video I did was my bloxburg house a long time ago. My bloxburg house, and it was really cool, like big. It was 3 floors. I can't get through this. Like, how you do this? Oh, heck no, she pushed me. Wait, what happened? Negative. No. They're crowns. Let's go bloxburg. No, I'm gonna rejoin the game because I feel like it. I just don't like dancing sips in the game. Dude, wait, how in the world? Okay. Okay, got it. I'm so scared. No! Oh my gosh. People Beyblades. Oh no. I got a disease. What you got? I'm like, it's GT. So then I posted part 2 of my mansion. It was pretty good. I liked it. It was just really empty though, so like nothing was really happening in it. So and I'm dead. And there was really not a lot going in it. It was really just empty. Good. The next was going Bloxburg. Then I built like a new house, but I didn't like do a tutorial like I did, so you can't see it. Someone deleted my house then, and then like I built a new one, and it cost like $30,000. Stop.
Don't use if you're allergic to Dupixent. Serious allergic reactions can occur, including anaphylaxis. eye problems, such as eye pain or vision changes or parasitic infection. If you take asthma medicines, don't change or stop them without talking to your doctor. So help heal your skin from within and talk to your eczema specialist about
Okay, so we're gonna press continue.
situations change. We may be able to help.
Say hi.
Internet isn't just awesome. It's important. It provides everything you want, love, and need.
I love you.
So, what if you could get it all?
Okay.
Without being locked into a cumbersome contract or the unbelievably low price of $44.99
Okay.
a month.
So first thing we're gonna do is pay my house bills. But first, let's take a shower and let's change. So like, this is my house. Don't ask why 6ix9ine is on it. Just my friends put this. So yeah. TV. Oops. Okay, let's stop it. We gotta take a shower. So let's do it. And guys, comment if you want your house done because I do it for free. So, but if you want to donate, that's really nice of you. So, usually people knock on my door. Yeah, that'd be really annoying because usually when I'm working or something. Now let's go change my clothes. So the next thing I want to do is change my clothes. So I do like. Okay, let's do that. Okay, I like it. I like it. Now let's pick the outfit. So let's do my regular avatar because yeah, we're simple. We're simple. How about that? Someone just knocked on my door. Okay, let's see. They're probably gonna ask, "Can I be your child?" I'd be like, "What the frick do I say?" Okay, so I'm gonna say hi. Hi.
Caribbean resort or whatever. Caribbean resort.
They're gonna ask. I knew it! I'm gonna say sure, but if they be gold diggers, then I'm done. There. So now let's go in. Come on, kids. Come in, kids. Okay. Wait, is the door locked? Because I feel like they're looking at the door. I'm gonna say your guys' room. Your guys' room. My room. My room. Then the bathroom. What? So now sleep. Okay, that's fine. La 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 lunch. Crash, 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 crash. Girls, I will make dinner. Girls, I will make dinner. Girls, I will make dinner. Okay, so let's go. Wait. Okay. So let's eat all the hot dogs because they don't need hot dogs. So let's go over here in this corner. I'm so scared. Like, what if they find me? Like, actually. Sit. Sit, girls. Sit, girls. back off the chair someone because they're kind of.
A car can do more than take you where you need to go. It can help you recharge when you need it the most. Sing as loudly as you want. Or be together, even when you're apart. Because the Camry is here for you. And them.
Let's wash the dishes.
Get 0% APR for 60 months on a new 2020 Camry Hybrid and 90-day payment deferral.
Okay, so we have clean dishes.
When you say you going home? So I can get my side of my
Monday.
bed. Monday? I got to stay over here till Monday?
Okay.
What do you mean you going to change size?
Monday. Or longer. Kids, we gotta go grocery shopping. Kids, we gotta go grocery shopping after. Kids, we gotta go grocery shopping after.
Fairlife is the milk that gives you more. It's ultra filtered for 50% more protein and 50% less sugar. Bring more to the table with Fairlife ultra filtered milk.
Yeah, pour it in here.
Dishonest timeshare sales agent? Were you misled and confused with what you were buying? Did the timeshare promise? Do you feel that you overpaid and just want out?
Or let's read some books.
We can help. We're timeshare compliant. Our team can legally terminate your timeshare agreement.
I don't want to go to work. I'm not scared. I meant mood. Mood. Let's see. 12, 13. Okay, so it's going up. It's good. I'm gonna go on the balcony and see the kids. Oh my God, help me! My bills went out. The kids are probably like, "What the frick went? What the frick happened, Mom?" I know.
Trying to make sure that you have some of this. I have some of it.
I'm back. And I'm bleed. I'm just going to push out bleed. I'm back. Okay, I'm clean and fine.
How many times a day does a psycho girlfriend call her boyfriend? 13. Name a food that smells really awful when it goes bad. Bananas. Name a state that starts with the letter
Okay, we have lap one.
that rhymes with dangle. Dangle. Give me the noisiest animal on the farm. Oink oink.
Let's just so that goes up.
Let's see. How many times a day does a psycho girlfriend call a boyfriend? We said 13 times, survey said.
And they were downstairs, so.
Name a food that smells really awful when it goes bad. You said the banana, survey said. Name a state that starts with the letter
95,
M,
96, 97, 98,
Maine, survey said.
99, 100. Yay, okay. Who's the book? Now let's do hunger. So we gotta eat some more. Because I feel like we're hungry. So, let's go. Kids. Let me friend them right quick. Minky and Ragdoll. There.
Good, Steve. How are you? I'm good. Feeling pretty good today. I feel good.
My friends. Oh. You have a max of friends. Let's do a quick meal because that's easy. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate for the girls. Girls, we are gonna chill on the balcony. I don't know how to spell balcony. Kids, we're gonna chill on the roof. Okay, so set this right here. Okay, so wait, I don't. Oh, you got heated up. Oh. And I'll have some coffee. Set it right here. Okay, let's give it to the girls.
Give me a word that rhymes with dangle. You said jangle, survey said.
Okay, let's heat it up.
Tangle was number one. Tell me the noisiest animal on the farm. You scared everyone with
Be
this
texting
one.
if I know what
You
I'm
said
doing.
that damn hyena is on the farm and it ate all the other animals.
Wait, do I have to? Dude, it took my hot chocolate away. Kids, come get your hot chocolate. Okay, so I'm gonna give. Wait, what she say? Back. Kids, come get your hot chocolate.
I was hoping that he would come and reciprocate and hold me around and hug me.
Get it and follow me.
Philip did not speak to his grandfather, but he did speak to the court. You can't hear him because he asked the judge to order us to cut off the audio. These are the words of a son trying valiantly to save his mother from spending the rest of her life in prison. Having my mom die in jail will not bring back my dad. As his uncle and his mother wept, Philip credited her for making him the man he is today. She raised me to be kind, to be loving.
Okay, so let's drink it.
Value hard work. She was there for me every step of the way when I struggled with the death of my dad. He asked the judge for leniency, but it didn't work.
This was an exceptionally brutal and violent murder.
So the kids are having fun.
Brutality revealed boundless anger and hatred towards Mr. Fillmore for this crime, for this murder.
Get your hot chocolate. Get your hot chocolate. Get your hot chocolate. Get your hot chocolate.
But still, they are not doing much celebrating.
It's bittersweet.
I'm back.
How you doing, my son?
What does justice feel like? You've got
Mickey!
Like,
Meek! Oh my god!
I just feel that
OMG!
all your work paid off. Because I'm finally after
Wipes blood off me. Wipes blood off of me.
Right now it seems as if everything is unpredictable.
We're all stuck at home,
And like you, I'm feeling a bit helpless right now.
but I want you to know we are here for you,
Put
all working together.
band.
You are not alone. That's right.
because we're all in this.
We're all in this. We're all in this together.
Across the country, it's America's favorite jackpot game. Get ready, everyone. This is Powerball. Good evening, America. I'm Sam Arlen. Tonight we have a guaranteed jackpot for you. It is worth $20.
Okay, so it's not really working.
I hope you have your Powerball tickets. Good luck. Let's see how you did tonight. First number down, it is 65 to lead us off. And right after that, America, we have the number 12. Here's the Powerball 14 from Maryland. They won
Yes.
$50,000.
Okay, let's go.
Next number down is
Stop.
followed by 32, and we're going to wind it up for you tonight with the number 50. All right, now for your winning Powerball number, it is 5.
Oh, my leg.
Multipliers 3. Take one more
It's
call.
okay. Stop.
Here at the Florida Powerball Studios. Have a great night. We'll see you back here this Wednesday night. Bye-bye.
First of all, where's the doctor's office? Because I don't see no doctor's office here.
The deadly shooting of a black man at an Atlanta drive-thru is leading to protests tonight, and the resignation of the city's police chief. We'll show you the surveillance video leading to it all. But first, it's the third weekend of protests after the death of George Floyd. Protests continuing across the country and right here in the area. News 12 Teresa Waters spoke to several groups who are making their voices heard in more ways than one. George Floyd, Ahmaud Arbery, and Breonna Taylor may be gone.
I'm just doing a force I laid on by.
Around the world are making sure their legacy lives on.
We're standing here in solidarity.
In Jefferson County, hundreds of people gathered for a peaceful protest demonstration and a march filled with purpose.
Just roll with it. I don't even know.
Remove the old slave market building in Louisville, one of the few still standing across the country. Some people say we can learn from history. It belongs in a museum and off the streets. Over in Augusta, the CFR's Black Lives Matter group held a community cleanup event to get people together, talking and working to better the community.
I don't know. I don't know
Came out with buckets and trash stickers,
where
hoping to
the
help plastic bottles and cans
doctor's
that were scattered across
office
the medicine shopping center lot.
is.
We've seen the protests, we've seen the anger.
I don't know. I don't know where the doctor's office is. So don't judge me.
We want to be out here making a change for the community.
Uses
Black Lives
his
Matter group.
powers
Movement is much more
to
than just rallies and
fix
demonstrations, but also a
her
chance to
leg.
make a change. One community at a
Use
time.
powers to fix her leg.
We got people doing good stuff. We can together, we can love together, we can clean up together.
She looks my diamonds in my pearls. I think you got to sign it.
Thank you, Tradisha. The CSRA Black Lives Matter group plans to have a community cleanup event every
No.
Saturday. Next week, they will clean up on Laney Walker. And taking a look at live at Atlanta Street
Wakes
as
her
protests are
up.
starting again after a police-involved
Wakes
shooting
her
in the
up.
city last night. You could see a large
Guys,
blaze over there at what
this
appears to be
is
the Wendy's, which is the location
kind of
that
cool.
a black man was shot last night.
Does
Authorities are investigating after police shot and killed that man at the Wendy's drive-thru.
is she's dead? Come back for part 2, guys. I'm so scared. What if she's really dead? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed here. Okay, I'm gonna tell them, guys, I am filming on YouTube. Bye, guys. Come back for part 2.
At that point, the Atlanta